Welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to look at the monthly Nifty weekly expiry. Now before going into our detailed market analysis and trading ideas, so we will just look into the last week what happened. So last week once again you are aware that market was once again in a like sideways between the support and resistance, and Friday, we have informed that there is a chance of a big movement due to Nifty and Sensex straddle premium was seen no decay. So considering that, we have posted, and then we can see the direction we got at by 940 itself, and then one-sided market rallied, and then we got around 300 points for the day. Okay. So then further we have posted one more thing, that is Israel index was daily hitting a new high. So that was also a one more positive sign. So like as of now we are not don't have any interaction with this conflict which is going around, but only thing is like due to the rise in crude oil price which may affect our country in terms of inflation. So that is the one immediate concern which we are seeing. Other than that, I'm not finding anything, so we will talk about the today's update in later time frame. So let us look into the now according to our pointers. So first we'll look into the price action. So if you look at the price action, you can clearly see market is between the same support and resistance. So once again, market is near the resistance zone. So and now some news is going around. So there is a chance like this event may lead into a breakout also above 200. Okay, so there is a chance, okay, or otherwise, if some bad news is there, once again it may come into the support region and then go back. So this may continue for some more time. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, some or the other time it has to break out because we are seeing that completely like FA and DA are in buying mode. So considering that it should break out soon, and this week is concerned, the Friday closing is very good. So expecting actually if we break this resistance, we can go around in the 500 range. 25 500 range is possible. So this is what we are seeing here in the chart. So let us look into the India VIX. India VIX also, if you see, it is continuously going down. So now we have come near to 13.5 or less than 14. So it is a good sign. It will be a stable market. So now let us look into the next one. So overall direction where momentum is there after, so time being overall market direction is in sideways only, but the way the market is reacting, the chances for going up is very high, and that is what we are continuously posting also. So overall market is actually sideways. It is a bullish sideways we can say right now, but once we break this, there is a high chance another 1,500 point. That is, I'm expecting somewhere around 26,500 in a shorter time frame, which is considered to be 2 months, in 2 months to 3 months time frame max. So let us look into the OA data. So what is happening in OA data once again? Okay. Mm. If you look into the OA data, actually 25,000 is having a straddle. So and 25,000 put is having a highest OA nearby. Maybe after that you see 24 also is having, so 25,000 is the highest. So the short sellers are expecting this week will be closing about 25,000. Okay, not only that, this week closing is actually highest weekly closing also. That is also a point to be noted. So considering this 25,000 above, so like some straddles are observed, so they are expecting it will be in and around 25,000 plus or minus 300. You can say that is what they are expecting. And if you see next highest OA observed in 500, if you give a clear breakout, chances for another 200 300 point rally, and 25 500 is possible. Okay. So that is what we could see here in the OA data. So let us see the next is straddle premium. So straddle premium, if you see, from morning onwards it was dropped, and then after that it was continuing near around 300 level. So like it is like considerably you can say like what happened, there is nothing much or no further information available from this. So it indicates that there is no other drastic movement as of now, but okay, Monday may lead into some turbulence or volatility due to the this US news. So that we will discuss when we come to the global point. Okay, and then coming to the institution futures. So if you look at the institution futures, actually DA is bearish and FA is bullish and Pro is bullish and client is bearish. So this is also showing a kind of what you call sideways only. So one institution is bullish, another one is bearish. So that is what we could see here, and we coming to the global scenario. So if you see Dow Jones also, it is consolidating. But one thing is now the today morning news is that US has hit the Iran. So due to which the conflict may further may continue. But Israel was also conveying a thanks message to US. But let's see, but the influence on our market will be only the crude oil. So crude oil, if it is chances for going up in such conflicts, so if that goes up, then indirectly it will affect our market, because all our commercial activities are depending on crude oil. So basically, if crude oil is increasing, so accordingly our each and every item will get increased. That will lead to inflation. So that is the one concern. But okay, so that we will do, that is a short term concern, so that we should keep in mind. And coming to the last point, that is conclusion and trading ideas. So once again, according to the way, like this time, as I was telling you, we have closed very good. So what I will say is, in a 3 4 month time frame, any dip is a buying opportunity. And coming to the this week, like we have closed in a highest position after so many months, and weekly closing is at a good level. So any positive news, considering like suppose if there is some ceasefire, or if they have settled down, if the conflict is settled down, then once upon a way we will be expecting another 500 pound from here. That is very much possible. And otherwise, once again, it may stuck between the support and resistance. So considering that people who are actually considering this week better to be any dip, we can think of PE selling only, because if in case it breaks out, and then 500 and above possibility is there in upside. So like I think we have covered overall analysis. So and time to time we are posting in our Twitter and Telegram also, so people can follow it, and then whatever views we are taking, we are sharing, and it is all only for the educational purpose. Please understand, whatever trade you are taking, please look into your risk management and then only do it, because see, end of the day, it is your money, you have to protect and you have to win. See, the analysis why we are posting here is, it is basically for your understanding purpose, as well as how to analyze the market. This is the way we analyze, and according to this our analysis, we used to take a trade. So that is why it is only our own analysis. So for the benefit of people, for the knowledge purpose, we are posting this video to every one of our members. So that's all for today analysis. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.